Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn with flashcards using an easy method. Flashcards are a powerful tool for mastering new information, helping you commit facts and concepts to memory efficiently. By actively recalling information, you strengthen your brain's connections, leading to much better retention. We will explore how to create and use flashcards effectively, ensuring your study time is productive and your learning lasts for the long term. Get ready to transform your study habits. Creating effective flashcards is the first step to successful learning. On the front, write a single, clear question or prompt. The back should contain only the direct answer, keeping it brief and to the point. Avoid cluttering your cards with too much information. Simplicity is key. Consider adding a small drawing or diagram if it helps illustrate a complex idea. Aim for cards that are easy to read and understand at a glance, making your review sessions smooth and efficient. Now, let's dive into the easy learning method. Dedicate about 10 to 15 minutes each day to review your flashcards. As you go through them, create two piles, one for cards you know well and another for those you struggle with. Focus your efforts on the unknown pile, reviewing them more often until you feel confident. A good rule of thumb is to successfully recall a fact at least 3 times before moving that card to your known stack. This consistent practice builds strong memory. To truly optimize your learning, make flashcards a regular part of your study routine. Introduce new cards gradually, perhaps 5 to 10 new ones each day. Try reviewing your cards in different locations. This helps your brain retrieve information more flexibly. Speaking the answers out loud can also deepen your understanding and memory. Remember, consistent, daily engagement with your flashcards, even for short periods, will lead to significant and lasting improvements in your knowledge retention. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.